Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Quick Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can redeem your Target gift card. Keep watching the video till the end. To redeem your Target gift card, firstly go ahead and launch open your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in target.com and make a search. Log into your account and the home page of Target will appear on the screen. Click on account icon at the top right corner of the page. You will end up on your profile section of your Target's account. Tap on account. Scroll down and tap on add gift card option on the gift card section. On the next page, enter your gift card number, your access number and click on add. This is how you can redeem your Target gift card quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.